Hello, Mrs. Norelli and friends. Today we are going to make a simple pasta recipe. We need ingredients: one white onion, oil, two tomato, sweet pepper, salt. We cut all the ingredients into small squares. We place all these ingredients in a pot over low heat. I usually use a little tomato sauce, then we can use a little black sauce. I think this adds flavor to the pasta. When we have cooked the macaroni, we add them to our sauce and ready to eat. You can accompany this meal with meat or chicken.